of standing above a rolling ocean of clouds, witnessing sunrises that steal your breath away, and walking amongst ancient, giant trees. Then pack your bags, because today we're journeying to one of Taiwan's most iconic and magical destinations, the Alishan National Scenic Area. If you're searching for epic Taiwan mountains, unforgettable nature experiences, or simply one of the best Chiayi attractions, look no further. Alishan isn't just a place, it's an experience that touches your soul. Trust me, this is a bucket list destination for any nature lover or photographer. The legendary Alishan sunrise. Worth the early wake-up call? Absolutely. Let's talk about the star attraction, the Alishan sunrise. Yes, it means waking up ridiculously early, bundling up in layers. It gets chilly up there. And heading to a viewpoint like Zhushan or Ogasawara Platform in the pre-dawn darkness. But the moment those first rays of light pierce the horizon, painting the sky in fiery oranges, soft pinks, and brilliant golds, often illuminating the incredible sea of clouds Taiwan is famous for, it's pure magic. You stand there, surrounded by fellow travelers, a collective hush falling over the crowd as the sun crests the distant peaks of the Zhushan mountain range. It's an ethereal, almost spiritual moment that makes the cold and the early start completely worth it. Capturing this Alishan sunrise isn't just taking a photo, it's capturing a feeling. Pro tip: check the sunrise time and train schedules. If taking the early morning train to Zhushan, the day before. Walking on air, witnessing the majestic sea of clouds. Imagine looking down not onto land, but onto a vast, undulating blanket of white fluffy clouds stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the famous Sea of Clouds, Taiwan, and Alishan National Scenic Area is one of the best places on the island to witness it. This breathtaking phenomenon often occurs after rainfall or during weather transitions, especially in the late autumn, winter, and spring months, although you can get lucky any time of year. The clouds fill the valleys below, making the mountain peaks look like islands floating in a celestial ocean. Finding a viewpoint like Siyun Temple or the Xiaoliuan Lookout Platform and just watching the clouds shift and flow is incredibly mesmerizing. It's moments like these that make Alishan truly unforgettable. Photographers, get ready. Your memory cards will thank you. Whispers of Giants, exploring Alishan's ancient forests. Step away from the viewpoints and into the heart of Alishan, its ancient forests. This isn't just any forest, it's a mystical realm of towering red cypress and Taiwan cypress trees, some over 2,000 years old. Hiking Alishan's well-maintained trails like the Giant Tree Trail is like stepping back in time. Breathe in the crisp, clean mountain air, thick with the scent of damp earth and cypress wood. Listen to the sounds of the forest, birdsong, rustling leaves, maybe the distant whistle of the forest train. The scale of these sacred trees is humbling. You'll find yourself craning your neck, trying to see the tops, feeling incredibly small next to these silent, ancient giants. Popular spots include the Zhanglin Sacred Tree and the number 28 Giant Tree. These trails offer varying levels of difficulty, making hiking Alishan accessible for most visitors. Remember comfortable walking shoes. All aboard history, the charming Alishan Forest Railway. No trip to Alishan National Scenic Area is complete without experiencing the historic Alishan Forest Railway. Originally built by the Japanese for logging, this narrow-gauge railway is now a beloved tourist attraction, offering a nostalgic and incredibly scenic journey through the mountains. Text overlay: Alishan Forest Railway, a journey through time. The slow, charming ride takes you winding through dense forests, over quaint bridges, and past breathtaking viewpoints. The main line runs from Chiayi City up to Fenqihu, a charming mountain town famous for its lunchboxes. Definitely try one. And smaller branches operate within the Alishan National Scenic Area itself, like the popular line to Zhushan for sunrise viewing or the short scenic routes to Zhaoping and the Sacred Tree stations. Riding the Alishan Forest Railway isn't just transport, it's stepping onto a moving piece of history, offering unique perspectives of the stunning Taiwan mountains. Book your tickets in advance, especially during peak season, as they sell out fast. Beyond the Big Four, tea plantations, culture, and more. While the sunrise, sea of clouds, forests, and railway are the main draws, Alishan offers even more. The region is famous for its high mountain oolong tea. Consider visiting a local tea farm for a tasting and to learn about the cultivation process. Explore the charming village of Fenkihu, or learn about the indigenous Chu culture, which has deep roots in this mountainous region. Depending on the season, you might even catch cherry blossoms in spring or fireflies in summer. These elements add another layer to your Alishan adventure, making it one of the most rewarding Chiayi attractions. Planning your Alishan adventure. Getting to Alishan National Scenic Area usually involves taking a train or high-speed rail to Chiayi City, and then catching the Alishan Forest Railway, the scenic, slower option, or a bus, faster, more frequent, up the mountain. Staying overnight within the park is highly recommended, almost essential, if you want to catch the Alishan sunrise. There are hotels and guest houses available, but book well in advance. Remember to pack layers. Temperatures can change drastically between day and night and at different altitudes. And bring your camera. You won't want to miss a single shot. Why Alishan belongs on your travel list. Alishan National Scenic Area is more than just a point on a map. It's a symphony of nature's finest elements. The drama of the Alishan sunrise, the dreamlike beauty of the Sea of Clouds Taiwan, the ancient wisdom of the giant trees, and the nostalgic charm of the Alishan Forest Railway. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to be humbled by its scale, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're hiking Alishan's misty trails or simply soaking in the views, this gem in the Taiwan mountains promises an unforgettable experience. It is truly one of the crown jewels of Chiayi attractions and a must-visit for anyone traveling to Taiwan. So, what are you waiting for? Add Alishan to your travel plans. Have you been to Alishan? Share your favorite memory in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures.